Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. An organization deploys Azure Cosmos DB. You need to ensure that the index is updated as items are created, updated, or deleted. What should you do? Option A. Set the indexing mode to lazy. Option B. Set the value of the automatic property of the indexing policy to false. Option C. Set the value of the enable scan and query option to true. Option D. Set the indexing mode to consistent. To ensure that the index is updated as items are created, updated, or deleted in Azure Cosmos DB, you should set the indexing mode to consistent. This mode synchronously updates the index with every data modification, ensuring that your queries can always access the most recently updated data. Question 2. You are developing an application that uses keys stored in Azure Key Vault. You need to enforce a specific cryptographic algorithm and key size for keys stored in the vault. What should you use? Option A. Secret versioning. Option B. Azure policy. Option C. Key Vault firewall. Option D. Access policies. To enforce a specific cryptographic algorithm and key size for keys stored in Azure Key Vault, you should use Azure Policy. Azure Policy allows you to create, assign, and manage policy definitions that enforce rules and effects for your resources, including Azure Key Vault. This helps ensure that resources comply with your organization's standards and requirements, such as specific cryptographic algorithms and key sizes. Question 3. You are a developer at your company. You need to update the definitions for an existing logic app. What should you use? Option A. The Enterprise Integration Pack. Option B. The Logic App Code View. Option C. The API Connections. Option D. The Logic Apps Designer. To update the definitions for an existing logic app, you should use the Logic App Code View. The Code View editor allows you to directly edit the JSON definition of the logic app, enabling advanced modifications that may not be possible through the Visual Designer interface. This is particularly useful when defining parameters or multiple triggers within your workflow. Question 4. You develop an Azure App Service web app and deploy to a production environment. You enable application insights for the web app. The web app is throwing multiple exceptions in the environment. You need to examine the state of the source code and variables when the exceptions are thrown. Which application insights feature should you configure? Option A. Smart Detection. Option B. Profiler. Option C. Snapshot Debugger. Option D. Standard Test. The Snapshot Debugger is an application insights feature that allows you to capture the state of the source code and variables at the time an exception is thrown. It captures a snapshot of the call stack, local variables, and object state during the exception, making it easier to diagnose and fix issues in the code. Question 5. You need to secure the shipping logic app. What should you use? Option A. Azure App Service Environment. Option B. Integration Service Environment. Option C. VNet Service Endpoint. Option D. Azure ADB 2B Integration. To secure a logic app and ensure it can access resources within a corporate virtual network, you should use Integration Service Environment. ISCs provide a dedicated environment for running logic apps with access to secured resources within an Azure VNet. They also offer features like dedicated storage and static IP addresses that enhance both security and performance, which are essential for securing the shipping logic app. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.